Hey there, Smarty fans, especially parents and educators. We've got something special for you, and it's not just another exciting episode of Who Smarted, it's a chance for you to help shape the future of our show. We're on a mission to make Who Smarted even better for both our brilliant young listeners and their amazing parents and educators. That's why we're inviting you to participate in our exclusive, first ever Who Smarted survey to let us know what's working and where we can improve. So, parents and educators, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, cozy up, and take a few minutes to fill out our survey. Head over to whosmarted.com and click Survey. Together, let's make Who Smarted the best it can be. Thanks for being an awesome part of our smarting community. And remember, the survey is at whosmarted.com. Just click Survey. Psst. Hey, Smarty Pants. Have you ever ordered or had someone order you something off Amazon? It's pretty exciting when the day your package is supposed to arrive rolls around. Now, I ordered something last week, and today is the day. In fact, you can probably hear my heart thumping with anticipation. Listen. Ooh, a car just pulled up. Could that be my package? It says Amazon on the side. A delivery person just got out. They're opening the trunk. Moving a package. They're headed this way.
Package for trusty narrator.
That's me. I'm so excited.
I can tell. I hear your heart beating.
Well, it better be.
True. Wait, is that sound coming from the package?
Yeah, want to see what it is?
It sounds like a human heart.
Why, actually it is.
I gotta go.
It's not a real heart. It's a very detailed model, complete with sound effects.
Oh, in that case, I still gotta go. Lot of packages to deliver.
Oh, wait, before you go, did you know that you have an entire system in your body that functions a lot like Amazon?
The rainforest?
No, the company you deliver packages for. It's called the circulatory system, and it works a lot like Amazon. Everything from receiving and shipping out orders to cars, trucks, and drones traveling along a complicated highway system to delivering packages right to your door. It's all happening inside you right now. But what is your circulatory system? How does it work? And how does it keep you going strong?
I don't know.
Sounds like it's time for another whiff of science on
Who Smarted? Who's smarted? Who's smart? Is it you? Is it me? Is it science or history? Listen up, everyone. We make smarting lots of fun on Who Smarted.
You hear that? That's the sound of a drone delivering an Amazon package right to someone's door.
Hey, honey, a drone just came and dropped off that hair dryer you bought.
Pretty cool, right? But imagine instead of delivering a new hairdryer, LED lights for your bedroom, or a pair of Nikes, it was delivering energy, nutrients, and oxygen to keep your body going strong.
You mean like energy bars, nutritional supplements, and oxygen tanks?
No, I mean like energy and nutrients from the food you eat, and the oxygen produced by your lungs. Oh, and not only does it bring you these things, it also takes away the waste, like your old worn-out sneakers that don't fit anymore.
Oh, I don't think Amazon can do all that.
No, but your circulatory system can. And it all starts with what's in the box. You got something sharp I can use? There's a lot of tape on this package.
Here, use my box cutter.
Thanks. Introducing the human heart.
That's definitely not a real heart, right?
No, it's just a detailed model. And when it comes to the circulatory system, it all starts with your heart. Think of your heart like a giant Amazon warehouse. It's where all the orders come into and where all the packages are shipped out of. It's also where all the returns are brought back to.
Okay.
Next, you have your blood vessels, your arteries, veins, and capillaries. Your blood vessels are like the highways, roads, and streets that you travel to get to people's homes.
Gotcha. And the blood inside your blood vessels is the package?
Nope. Your blood is like the cars, trucks, and drones carrying packages to people's homes. The packages are the energy and nutrients from food and oxygen from your lungs.
Wow, that does sound like Amazon. But how does the circulatory system work?
Good question. Let me start by asking all you smarty pants a question. What's your body entirely made up of? Is it A, pixels, B, bytes, or C, cells? Well, if you were a computer screen, you'd be made of pixels. And if you're a piece of computer code, you'd be made out of bytes. But as a living creature, you're made up of C, cells. In order for your cells to stay healthy, strong, and function properly, nutrients, oxygen, and hormones need to be delivered, and waste products such as carbon dioxide need to be removed. Your circulatory system, also known as your cardiovascular system, is a vast network of organs and blood vessels specifically designed to do just that. But your circulatory system not only keeps your cells healthy, it also keeps you alive. Your heart constantly receives signals from the rest of your body, directing how hard it needs to pump to properly supply your body with what it needs. For example, when you're sleeping, your body may send electrical signals to your heart, telling it to slow down. But if you're playing soccer, your heart might get the message to pump harder to deliver extra oxygen to your muscles.
Sort of like when we get a dispatch telling us where to deliver a package.
Exactly. Except all of this happens without you even being aware of it.
Gotcha. But how does your heart work? Is it made of blood? Is it filled with blood? Does it make blood?
Those are great questions. Let's ask our ridiculously realistic-looking model, which is now pumping fake blood all over my table.
Wait, it talks?
Yep. I just need to turn on its heart light and...
Hello, I'm your heart. I love you.
I heart you too. Tell us about yourself.
I will. But first, answer this question. Am I an organ or a muscle?
Ooh, tricky. What do you think, Smarty Pants? I heard both answers. Let's find out.
I'm actually a muscular organ. I'm made up of tissues working together to perform a specific function like other organs in your body. Liver, spleen, kidneys. But because my specific function involves pumping blood throughout your body, I act like a muscle. And I'm largely made up of a tissue called cardiac muscle.
Okay, but how much can you bench?
Oh, hearts don't lift weights, but trust me, hearts are strong. They have to be to pump blood throughout your entire body. As you probably know, your heart sits inside your chest, in front of your lungs, and slightly to the left. Your heart is actually a double pump made up of 4 chambers. Here, let's make it easy to visualize. Draw or imagine a circle. Pretend that circle is your heart. Now make 2 lines through the center of the circle, one up and down, and the other straight across, like you're cutting a pizza pie into 4 pieces.
Pizza!
The top 2 pieces are called atriums, and the bottom 2 are called ventricles. Now, each side of your heart performs a different function. Oh, here, I'll let Heart explain.
Veins carry blood into the right atrium of your heart. However, this blood is deoxygenated. That means it's lacking oxygen your body needs. This blood is squeezed down into the lower right ventricle where it's taken by muscular tubes known as arteries to your lungs. There, the carbon dioxide in the blood is replaced with oxygen. This new oxygenated blood then flows back into your heart, entering your left atrium. It is then squeezed down into your left ventricle, where it enters a very large artery known as the aorta, which pumps it out to your body through a network of blood vessels. Blood vessels include arteries, which divide down into smaller tubes known as capillaries. They kind of look like the branches on a tree. And these blood vessels reach every part of your body, including your brain.
Have you ever seen a quart of milk? Well, adult humans have about 5 to 6 quarts, or just under 5 to 6 liters, of blood pumping through their bodies, around and around and around. On average, your heart pumps about 100,000 times per day, pushing around 2,000 gallons worth of blood through 60,000 miles, or 96,560 kilometers, of blood vessels.
Whoa.
It only takes 20 seconds for blood to travel in a loop around your entire circulatory system.
20 seconds? Wow. I thought next day delivery was fast. But wait a sec. You said the blood enters and exits your heart. Where does the blood come from?
That's another great question, and the answer to that is right after this quick break. Hey there, Smarty fans, especially parents and educators. We've got something special for you, and it's not just another exciting episode of Who Smarted. It's a chance for you to help shape the future of our show. We're on a mission to make Who Smarted even better for both our brilliant young listeners and their amazing parents and educators. That's why we're inviting you to participate in our exclusive, first ever Who Smarted survey to let us know what's working and where we can improve. So, parents and educators, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, cozy up, and take a few minutes to fill out our survey. Head over to whosmarted.com and click Survey. Together, let's make Who Smarted the best it can be. Thanks for being an awesome part of our smarting community. And remember, the survey is at whosmarted.com. Just click Survey. Now back to Who Smarted. So blood enters your heart as deoxygenated, filled with useless carbon dioxide. It is then moved through the heart to the lungs, where it is filled with the oxygen your cells need. This blood then re-enters your heart, which pumps it out to your entire body. But that begs the question, where does the blood come from?
Fun fact! While your hollow heart fills with blood and pumps blood and regulates the flow of blood, it does not make the blood. 95% of the blood cells in your body is made in the soft, spongy material inside your bones, known as marrow.
Blood is made inside my bones? That's crazy!
Yep, and that's not the only interesting thing about blood. Let me tell you about blood. What is your blood made of?
I don't know. Blood is just the red liquid that comes out when I get a paper cut on a box.
Sure, but blood is also pretty complex. It consists of red blood cells, which carry oxygen, white blood cells, which make up part of your immune system, platelets, which help stop the bleeding when you get a cut or a scrape, and plasma, the red liquid that carries blood cells, nutrients, and wastes. Oh, and speaking of nutrients,
Blood vessels in your small intestine carry the nutrients from the food you eat to your heart as part of the circulatory system.
Speaking of, it's almost lunchtime. I need some food to get some blood pumping through my veins.
Actually, your veins generally only carry deoxygenated and waste-filled blood back to your heart. The oxygen and nutrient-filled blood is mostly found in arteries and capillaries.
I stand corrected. Look, I really need to get back to my deliveries, but I have one last question. When I go to the doctor and they check my blood pressure with that sleeve, what's that all about?
Blood pressure is the amount of pressure inside your circulatory system as blood is pumped around.
too much pressure against the walls of your blood vessels can lead to heart disease, which is a lack of blood flow to the heart. A lot of that can be controlled by reducing fatty, sugary foods and reducing stress.
Got it. Well, you definitely take the prize for my most interesting delivery.
Oh, thanks.
I was talking to the heart.
I heart you too.
A huge shout out to Franco in Netcong, New Jersey. We hear you love listening to Who Smarted. Thanks for being such an awesome fan. This episode, The Circulatory System, was written by Adam Tex Davis and voiced by Chris Okawa, Brandon Bayless, and me, Jerry Colbert. Technical direction and sound design by Josh Hahn. Who Smarted is recorded and mixed at the Relic Room Studios. Our associate producer is Max Kamaski. The theme song is by Brian Suarez, with lyrics written and performed by Adam Tex Davis. Who Smarted was created and produced by Adam Tex Davis and Jerry Colbert. This is an Atomic Entertainment production.
Who Smarted?
Hey there, Smarty fans, especially parents and educators. We've got something special for you, and it's not just another exciting episode of Who Smarted. It's a chance for you to help shape the future of our show. We're on a mission to make Who Smarted even better for both our brilliant young listeners and their amazing parents and educators. That's why we're inviting you to participate in our exclusive, first ever Who Smarted survey to let us know what's working and where we can improve. So, parents and educators, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, cozy up, and take a few minutes to fill out our survey. Head over to whosmarted.com and click Survey. Together, let's make Who Smarted the best it can be. Thanks for being an awesome part of our smarting community. And remember, the survey is at whosmarted.com. Just click Survey.